Hello everyone, welcome to For Nurses Preparation YouTube channel. Let's start with today's question answer related to the topic digestive system. Let's start the question. First question is, a client is admitted with duodenal ulcer. What will be the nurse anticipate history to include? अगर कोई पेशेंट एडमिट हुआ है डिओडिनल अल्सर के कारण तो नर्स उसको हिस्ट्री में क्या एंटिसिपेट करेगी? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं ए रीनल वेट लॉस, बी इंक्रीज इन डाइजेशन आफ्टर मील, सी अवेकिंग विथ पेन एट नाइट या डी एपिसोड्स ऑफ वॉमिटिंग्स. Option C is correct answer, that is awaking with pain at night. In duodenal ulcer, the severity of a pain increases during the night. So, patient will have history of awakening with pain at night. Next, second question. Vagotomy is a surgical treatment for. वैगोटॉमी किसका सर्जिकल ट्रीटमेंट है? ऑप्शंस आर ए पेप्टिक अल्सर, बी हिपेटाइटिस, सी रिग्यूटेशन या डी नर्व डिसऑर्डर. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, दैट इज पेप्टिक अल्सर. Vagotomy is a surgical treatment used to treat peptic ulcer. Surgical cutting of vagus nerve eliminate vagal nerve stimulation, so decrease acid secretion. Next, what is the purpose of administering an antacid to a client with peptic ulcer disease? किस कारण से पेप्टिक अल्सर डिजीज से ग्रहित क्लाइंट को एंटासिड एडमिनिस्टर करते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर ए डिक्रीज इन HCl production, that is hydrochloric acid production, B neutralize the acidity of stomach, C both A and B, or D increase pepsin production. Correct option is option C, that is A or B, in decrease in HCl production and neutralize the acidity of stomach. Next question is, the erosion of mucosal layer of stomach is termed as. स्टमक की म्यूकोजल लेयर को हटाना क्या कहलाता है? ऑप्शंस आर डिओडिनल अल्सर, बी गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर, सी क्रॉन्स डिजीज या डी डाइवर्टिक्यूलाइटिस. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर. गैस्ट्रिक अल्सर को हम म्यूकोजल लेयर को हटाना कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, pre-operative preparation for appendectomy include all of the following except. appendectomy pre-operative preparation के लिए इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन नहीं है? ऑप्शंस आर कंसेंट, बी एनिमा STAT, सी स्किन प्रिपरेशन या डी रिमूव दी ज्वेलरीज. Option B is correct, that is enema STAT. Avoid use of laxative, enema and local heat application before appendectomy because it may cause rupture of swell appendix due to increased peristalsis. Next, which of the following wouldn't occur with peritonitis? इसमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन गलत है अकॉर्डिंग टू पेरिटोनाइटिस? ऑप्शंस आर एब्डोमिनल डिस्टेंशन, बी डिफ्यूज एब्डोमिनल पेन, सी हाई पिच्ड बॉवल साउंड और डी कॉन्स्टिपेशन. ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज हाई पिच्ड बॉवल साउंड. Next question is type of hepatitis which caused after blood transfusion. इनमें से कौन सा हेपेटाइटिस ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन के बाद होता है? ऑप्शंस आर हेपेटाइटिस ए, बी हेपेटाइटिस बी, हेपेटाइटिस सी, हेपेटाइटिस डी. Correct option is option C. Hepatitis B, C and D can be caused by blood or blood product transfusion, but hepatitis C usually occur after blood transfusion, so hepatitis C also called post-transfusal hepatitis. Next question is the cause of ascites in cirrhosis of liver is. लिवर सिरोसिस के एसाइट्स का क्या कारण होता है? ऑप्शंस आर किडनी मालफंक्शन, बी जनरल फ्लूइड इम्बैलेंस, सी पोर्टल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन या डी विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज portal obstruction. Ascites is the abnormal accumulation of fluid in the peritoneal cavity. Causes of ascites are portal obstruction, protein deficiency, mainly albumin, obstruction in lymphatic drainage, or infection within the peritoneum. Next question is when a person eats glucose, the process that does not take place is. जब कोई व्यक्ति ग्लूकोज लेता है तो इनमें से कौन सा प्रोसेस नहीं होता है? ऑप्शंस आर इंजेशन, बी डाइजेशन, सी एब्जॉर्प्शन या डी एसिमिलेशन. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, दैट इज डाइजेशन. Glucose is a type of simple sugar or monosaccharide that is the end product of the carbohydrate digestion, so no need for further digestion. Ingestion, absorption and assimilation, the transformation of a food into living tissue, the constructive phase of metabolism, that is anabolism, are some normal process that take place after eating glucose. Next question is which of the following structures carry bile and pancreatic juice to duodenum? इनमें से कौन सा ऑप्शन है जो कि बाइल एंड पैनक्रेटिक जूस को डिओडेनम तक पहुंचाते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर पैनक्रेटिक डक्ट, बी सिस्टिक डक्ट, सी हिपैटिक डक्ट या डी कॉमन बाइल डक्ट. Option D is correct, that is common bile duct. Common bile duct carries bile and pancreatic juice to duodenum. It is formed by the union of the cystic duct of the gallbladder and the hepatic duct of the liver and then joined by the main pancreatic duct. Next question is inflammation of mucous membrane of teeth is called. टीथ की म्यूकस मेम्ब्रेन में इन्फ्लेमेशन होना उसे क्या कहते हैं? ऑप्शंस आर स्टोमेटाइटिस, बी जिंजवाइटिस, सी हेलिटोसिस या डी शिलोसिस. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, दैट इज जिंजवाइटिस. Next question is process of taking food into digestive system is. कौन सा प्रोसेस है जिससे फूड डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में आता है? ऑप्शंस आर इंजेशन, प्रोपल्शन, डाइजेशन या एलिमिनेशन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज इंजेशन. Digestive system perform 6 basis process like eating or ingestion, taking food and liquid into mouth. It is the first process of digestive system. Other process of digestive system are secretion, mixing, propulsion, digestion, absorption, and defecation. Next question is, a client is with new colostomy. What observation proves that colostomy is started to function? Options are flatus in colostomy bag, B. Moderately formed stool from side, C. No bowel sound, D. Semi-liquid fecal matter is present. Correct option is option A, that is flatus in colostomy bag. Next question is, proctoscope is used to see. Options are A. Anal canal, B. Sigmoid colon, C. Vagina, or D. Oral cavity. Correct option is option A, that is anal canal. Proctoscope is an instrument used to inspect the rectum and anal canal visually. Next question is, a fiber diet is used to suggest for constipation patient is based on the fact that फाइबर डाइट कॉन्स्टिपेशन पेशेंट को सजेस्ट की जाती है क्योंकि ऑप्शंस आर टू इंक्रीज इंटेस्टाइनल मोटिलिटी, बी टू डिक्रीज इंटेस्टाइनल मोटिलिटी, सी इट वर्क्स एज डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम, या डी नन ऑफ दीज. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए, टू इंक्रीज इंटेस्टाइनल मोटिलिटी. Fiber diet suggest for constipation patient is based on the fact that it increase peristalsis by formation of bulk of stool. Next question is, the process that provide main pathway for metabolism of fructose and galactose derived from diet is. Options are glycolysis, B. Gluconeogenesis, C. Glycogenolysis, or D. Glycogenesis. Correct option is option A, that is glycolysis. Glycolysis is the first stage of cell respiration, the series of reactions that convert a molecule of glucose to 2 molecules of pyruvic acid with the net gain of 2 ATP. Next question is, which of the following is the initial symptom of perforated duodenal ulcer? Options are hyperpyrexia, B. Mild epigastric pain, C. Projective vomiting, or D. Heartburn. Correct option is option B, that is mild epigastric pain. Next question is, bruising of the flanks of abdomen is known as. Options are Cullen's sign, B. Hager's sign, C. Kehr's sign, or D. Gray-Turner's sign. Correct option is option D, that is Gray-Turner's sign. Next question is, collection of air into abdomen cavity is called. Options are pneumothorax, B. pneumoperitoneum, C. ascites, या D. none. Correct option is option B, that is pneumoperitoneum. Pneumoperitoneum is a condition in which air or gas collects in the peritoneal cavity mainly due to internal organ rupture. Next question is, islets of Langerhans are concentrated in which portion of pancreas? Options are uncinate process, B. Tail, C. Body, or D. Head? Correct option is option B, that is tail. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.